is getting crazier and crazier. So. Chew and then be done.
Oh yes, and I am Isaac.
And I am. And together we are the Crab Kingdom. What is this called? Your ribs? Your ribs, right? Ribs. Is your ribs okay? Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to be making We're going to be making Muddy Buddies, but they're Christmas. So you will need like a little bit extra things. We'll probably do one on normal Muddy Buddies as well at some point, but it's Christmas, so we decided to do Christmas ones. We're gonna need red and green. See, you can see them. See, green and red. Green and red candy melt. Isaac's gonna do the red, and I'm gonna do the green. You basically make.
I'm gonna eat the red.
You make two Muddy Buddy things. You make the red and the green separately, and then you put them together with some red and green M&Ms and pretzels if you want. But we decided not to do that. So Isaac will do the red, and I'm gonna do the green. What we're gonna need.
We need probably a cup of these. Candy melts, red candy melts,
the recipe just says one bag, but the recipe that we've used for normal Muddy Buddies says 1 cup, so we're gonna do a cup.
For chocolate chips.
Yes, a cup, and put it into this other bowl, okay? We're gonna put it into a separate bowl, all right? Now set these aside, and what are we gonna need next?
We will need a
show it to them.
half stick of butter or 1/4 cup of butter.
Or 4 tablespoons of butter.
Yes.
Put that in the bowl. And then
a half cup of butter. Or peanut butter. Sorry.
Half cup of peanut butter, which we might need a spoon to get out. I'm gonna use a spoon. Don't break the freaking bowl. Funny story, we had some Muddy Buddies like a few days ago, and they had no peanut butter and like no powdered sugar, and it was gross. So anyways, we're gonna put in our half cup of peanut butter into the bowl, and now we have this, and we have to melt it. Other recipe says to do it 15-second intervals. So I'm gonna put mine in first. Okay, while Isaac. Efficiency. So I'm gonna stir it now while Isaac's cooking it. Oh, the butter's like already melted. And the candy melted. I know, it's so nice. So as you can
candy
tell,
melt really well. So.
It's not, it's not fully melted. That's like,
yes, but it's your turn now.
So we're just gonna keep going in and out in 15-second intervals until they're melted.
I'm trying to spread all this stupid chocolate around, but it just wants to stay all in one glob. So, glob. New word.
A new word unlocked.
Glob.
I mean, like, look at this. I might have to put more green in just because I don't want it to be this color.
Go change the flavor too. I need to try it.
And go wash your hands. But oh yeah, it's looking more green. It'll be fine. So it's not, as bad anymore. And Isaac's looks amazing. His red, I don't know if you can see. Man, it looks really good. Zoom in on that, editor me. Zoom in on. Oh yeah, that looks so good.
Creamy.
So yeah, mine is a little hard. It's a little less creamy. Yeah.
Oh, that looks so gross.
I got the weird color. We're gonna clap at the same time. Okay. So now we need. Now we're going to need 9 cups of this. So.
Just 1 bag of normal Chex.
Yeah, 1 bag of normal Chex, 9 cups.
Like a normal Chex little small container. Okay. It's not. What's 9 cups?
Just stay still, okay? I'm just gonna throw it, okay? Ta-da! And we are done, and we have our 9 cups. Hey, did you wash your hands? Go wash your hands. Okay, you did. All right, you're good. And now what we're gonna do is split it in half, the Chex, and then we're going to put our mixtures in each one of the Chex thingies. So, yeah. And this next part is probably like one of the most annoying parts. You have to like stir it in, and it takes a long time. So just be patient. Try not to break a lot, and you gotta stir it all. So yeah, the green isn't gonna turn out as well, but the red. I wish I'd done the red. The red looks great.
Grape. So grape. No, it looks more red grape. It seems like it's not enough, but then it is.
Yeah, just like you just gotta keep stirring it. Like I think I may have gotten a little bit not enough or something. Mine covered it all pretty well.
Try to scoop underneath it.
This looks so good.
Yeah.
Mine's already done. So then what we're gonna do
Pretty appetizing, but
is take a gallon Ziploc bag and put it in. This might take me a minute, so. Okay, so now we're gonna put 3/4 powdered sugar in each bowl. Isaac, ready? Let's do it at the same time. Okay. What was that, Tarzan? And if you need more, you need more. Don't like squeeze all the air out of it, just close it up and then be like,
I'm sorry, I want to do it because it's so weird to say this shit. Yeah, make sure there's lots of okay.
around at least. You can even tell in the picture it looks different. The green looks. Okay, so you know. Let's try. No, you can't try it yet. You have to do it afterwards.
Oh,
Open
okay.
yours. So, once you finish with that,
put it all in one bowl.
we're just gonna put a
You
little
don't have to
bit.
put all of this in one bowl.
We're gonna put a little bit. So now you mix them
Oh,
together.
you just put all in one dish.
Be careful.
I'm a salmon.
Okay, stop. I'm the
You still have
same.
to put it. You still have to. No, you have to do it all at once. We have to put the right amount of M&Ms in. Oh, I almost tried it.
You gotta be really
It's like it's so tempting. Like I'm so used to being able to like eat it. Wow. Why is there hair on this?
So yeah, these are very.
Froggy hair on this.
Now, for the best part.
Red and green M&Ms.
Yes.
So we don't know how much people put in if it's just a small amount like that.
And
We
ta-da!
just have to mix it. Okay, well, whatever. We're trying.
And look at you got your Christmas looking sort of Muddy Buddies. I mean, it looks good, so we're gonna try it now. These are like the best snack you could ever have to just snack on.
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
3,
Can we get the red one?
2, 1. So good. I'm gonna try Muddy Buddy by itself. Yeah, they taste really good. Not the same as. Do I have stuff on my face? No. Not the same as. Here, we've already made some normal Muddy Buddies. So these ones are made out of like actual chocolate.
Explosion of flavor.
Yeah. These ones are made out of
Well,
just
the M&S.
mixed.
It's just like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. No, 3 M&Ms at least.
So these ones are made out of just like milk chocolate chips and white chocolate, or the chocolate candy melts are white chocolate and they're artificially flavored, so they taste different.
Artificial flavor. Vanilla flavor.
Yeah, that's it. You can put as many M&Ms as you want in it. You can do whatever colors, but this is just a Christmas version, and we'll probably do one on the normal version another time. So anyways, I think that's it for this video. It's pretty short. Hope you enjoyed. So, we'll see you when we find a new creative recipe to make. Peace.
Bye.